Hey, how everybody doing? It's Jonathan Medina. Man, I'm super excited, man. I tell you what, my team is going to start killing it now with this opportunity because we just built the platform that is going to be phenomenal. I mean, if you notice, every time you go on your Facebook or every time you go on your phone, the first thing you want to do is watch videos, right? On YouTube or on Facebook. And basically, this platform that we got set up for you guys is awesome. You're gonna be able to do your own live videos. You'll be able to invite people to your platform while you're doing a live video, right? So you could do it. This is gonna be your platform right here. It's gonna look something like this. You're gonna have your own channel right here. It's gonna have your own name, your own TV channel. So channel 14 is gonna be your own personal channel where if anybody clicks on there, like let's say I go back right here, it's going to have a videos already present. We got multiple videos that you can watch, right? So if somebody watches that video and it goes to the next channel right here, it's going to be going to your personal channel. So you could do your own personal videos, put your own personal things from your business, or do a live video where you can invite people to your own live video platform, right? And you can change the background, you can change stuff like that. You know what I mean? And just the videos, you can change that. But like I said, guys, this is gonna be a killer, right, for your business, right? Because you'll be able to promote the business. I do my econ, I do a couple more business. So what I got a video like this talking about my econ. All right. So let me go ahead and just keep breaking this down for you guys. So basically, this platform is gonna be for those that join. You're gonna be able to get these platforms. We got multiple videos that you can set up for people. You go to this guide right here. You got different videos that you can watch. I mean, these are all beautiful things you can use. There's another system right here that you can get walkie talkie. You can download it right here. Once you go into my platform, I mean, you're gonna have your own link. My link is myecon.johnmedina.com. You can go in there and just go into this page, and you're gonna see, man, how beautiful and how powerful this thing works. So let me go ahead and just give you an inside look at how it works. I'm gonna go ahead and log in. So check this out, guys. I mean, this is gonna be wonderful. Y'all gonna be killing it with this system. So right here, you're gonna be able to go into your website, and once you go into your website, right, the one that you're gonna be able to change is the one right here down in the bottom where it says Custom Brand TV. That's gonna be your personal channel right there for yourself, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and copy. Excuse me. You're gonna go to copy, and you can customate it right here. Your background, you can do all the stuff that you need to do, but we got training for that. You don't have to worry about it. We're gonna have training to show you how to be doing everything step by step. You can put your personal page in there. You can put your personal stuff. That is the only page that you're gonna be able to change because it's gonna be your personal page. Because all the other ones, all the videos gonna change every week. They're gonna be changing. How can I say it? They're gonna be rotating. So I mean, and it's all about motivational. It's all about different. Let me show you what I mean by motivational, because I mean I need this all for entrepreneurs, people that want to build their business. And you can add all your different business. You can do all different. I'll break that down to you in a little bit. You can do different things like inspirational right here. Station, right? If you go on there, you could go ahead and share. You're gonna have your own personal link right here that you can share with other people. But I'm gonna show you how to be able to match that without having to spend so much money on domains and stuff like that. You could do subdomains. You could do multiple subdomains. You go Rick Ross doing a motivational video. I mean, people will watch that and just go through the process. Here you're gonna have your own personal link that you can click on there and go to your Facebook. And this right here, this is where your extra your personal opportunity will be in to be able to sell. So I mean, it's gonna be 7 days for free to get the system, man. It's 7 days for free. You're gonna have the whole platform. You're gonna have the whole training. We're gonna have people 24/7 helping you out. I'm gonna be personally helping you out. I mean, like I say, I teamed up with the right man to do this. Like I say, guys, I always try to look for ways to look for automatic, how can I say, autopilot marketing, and I just teamed up with the right person to do this with. And I tell you what, we're taking over right now. This is going to take over, and it's right now. I tell you what, it's something that you need to get on it right now before it gets out there, because then everybody start doing it, and it's you're gonna look like the old person doing this already. You know what I mean? So you want to be there in the beginning of this thing that's going on right now, because I mean it brands your business. Now let me go ahead and share something more powerful with you guys. Now this right here are capture pages that we use. Because remember, it's all about catching leads. It's all about leads, right? So once they log in here, they're gonna click on there. And the most powerful thing about this is that when a person goes into this page, they're gonna tell you what they're into, right? Inspiration, motivational, live trainings, interviews and stuff like that. So once they click on one of them things right there, right? Let's just go ahead and real quick. Once they click on that, put the information in, the system is going to send them motivational videos, live training videos, stuff that they clicked on to keep them interested in your opportunity. You see what I mean? They're going to keep them motivational quotes. They're going to keep sending things for you without us having to do anything. The system does all that for you. We don't do anything. The system does everything. We don't do anything. We don't touch anything. We let the system do the rest of the work. Now, let me go ahead and log into my YouTube real quick to show you what I mean by that. I just want to give you a quick inside scoop, man. I mean, this is right here is phenomenal. This is right here was some phenomenal. So we right now working on something and building right now. So, let me go right here real quick. How you doing, buddy? Doing all right? All right. You know, I'm doing live. Hey, I work from home. The kids running around. You know how they get. What happened? The story? Yeah, we can do that in a little bit. All right, I'm doing a little training right now. Let me go ahead and get this done. Then we go ahead and talk. Go clean your nose. All right. So, all right. So let's do this real quick. Look how powerful this is right here. Look how powerful these are. I ain't even done nothing all day. Yesterday, this is all yesterday, and I didn't even do nothing all day yesterday. I just woke up just now, and this all I did was send out a couple of links. Yeah, just let me finish doing this first, and you can come back. All right, buddy. So this right here. If you notice all this right here, look, I'm gonna show you something. Like usually I put all my systems that I work on. I always put my information in, so that way I know that I'm receiving these. How can I say it? I'm receiving the emails because I know if I'm receiving the emails, everybody else receiving them, right? So look at this right here. I received it, and bam, you see, and I ain't even send none of this stuff. That's all the system doing all the work for me. So right here, hey subscriber, you see here, make sure you see the interview. See that's because I guess I clicked on interview, so it's gonna show me about the business and stuff that is work. I mean, this is all self-explanatory. It's gonna show them a video, and that's the way it works. That's the way it works. And you already know kids doing whatever they want to do. And it's gonna show an inspirational video and stuff like that. So, I mean, guys, it's that simple, man. I mean, this is our way we grow. This is the way we do things. And I mean, come on, you can't. It's self-explanatory, right? So it's gonna show me an inspirational video. It's gonna do all the work for you. All you gotta do is hit right here for the like I said, my recommendation income stream. Click on there. It's gonna go into my website, your personal website, any business that you work with. It's gonna go right into it. It's gonna go right into it. And I mean, that's the way we work. How you doing, baby? Doing all right? What y'all up to? Watching the movie? Wait till I get done here, then y'all can go ahead and do the dishes. All right, y'all gonna make noise, and they ain't gonna be able to hear me. All right, guys. The brush should be over there on the. Check on the couch
Is
downstairs.
there any sponges?
They're right there, but let me finish doing this right here. So if you can see, it's gonna go into the videos, and once it goes into the videos, let me go right here real quick. They're gonna show me my opportunity. You're gonna go down here. All you gotta do is just go click right here, join now. Once you watch the video, go join now, and it's gonna go into the landing page. It's gonna go into my page, and then right here you're gonna see where it's gonna have your sponsor's name, and that's simple. See Jonathan Medina. When all you gotta do is just continue and follow the training videos of how to get everything going. And if you don't know how to get everything going, if you get lost, just go ahead and just inbox me, and I'll be able to send you the information. So check this out. Now, the other thing that's so powerful about this business is you go to the website. Yeah, I had to get the kids. Go downstairs real quick. That way I can focus with this because when they're running around, you already know how that is. Okay, so all right, let me go to If you go to this, I mean, it's self-explanatory. It's all you're gonna have all types of training, an account, the contacts. And again, that's the most powerful thing about the system too is that you get your own. Let's say you click on here, traffic. You be able to get your own links to banners, articles, press releases. I mean, right here, like Texas, right? Like if you don't know what to post, you have everything. We're gonna have everything made done for you already. All you gotta do is just copy it, right? You copy it, you right click it. Let's see if I can do it real quick. You go on it, right click, and you already have your own link. It's gonna be right there. But if anything that it will not work on Facebook, all you gotta do is just go ahead and do your own use change it up and just mask it. Like I said, I got trainings gonna show you how to be able to mask it without spending so much money, without even spending money. It's free. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to do all that in the training. We're gonna have those. We're gonna have offline too, where you could just get script things that you could print out sources. Personal calls. Like if you don't know how to do calls, we're gonna have script right here for you to show you how to do calls and all that. I mean, come on, how to call your prospects and do all that. email swipes. You're gonna have your own personal emails that you could use to email your prospects and leads. You could use your own webinar or get response if you have it. I mean, all this stuff is awesome. I mean, you could use all this stuff is awesome. Email to send emails, get texts. To get started right here, look, I'm gonna show you something real powerful about this too. Then to get started, you can go ahead and this is where you're gonna put your any company that you work with. You can post it right here, and it's gonna be on the link. And look at all the business opportunities that you can use for this. Look at all these right here, all different opportunities that you can use to promote. There's a lot of them. So all you gotta do is just go. If you're in my econ, you gotta do just scroll down right here and look for my econ, and we got them in there too. Let me see if I can find it. All you gotta do is just look for it right here. Econ opportunity video, econ 2. I mean, it's a lot of things that you can use this business for. Like I got my MCA, I got my Facebook page, I got my econ, web talk. I mean, got everything that you need to be able to get this thing going, guys. I mean, it's simple. I mean, just the back office alone. I'm gonna show you something real quick. Just with the back office alone, I mean, we got everything set up for you to be successful with this business. I mean, everything's gonna be for you. Everything's gonna be self-explanatory. Like I said, you got all different videos that you can use here. You got channel 3, channel 4, more about Beacon and all that. I mean, guys, this is awesome. I mean, it's awesome. You got different things that you can join. I mean, if you want to invest in other things, you can, but the system will do all the work for you, all the promoting for you. I mean, it's all self-explanatory now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you something real quick about the training. Now, you go to the training, look at all these trainings that you're gonna have for free to be able to get. So once you go to the training, all you gotta do is just log in because you're gonna have your own personal login for all trainings. And I suggest that once you join, you watch this video right here because a lot of people they like to skip all the videos. Guys, when you join an opportunity, don't skip videos. Go through everything step by step because it's gonna show you how to get everything going. Now, once you join me, you're gonna go. I'm gonna send you the tutorial video. Let me show you which one it's gonna be. Let me go here. Like I said, guys, I worked hard. We worked hard to be able to build this for you guys and make it much easier than what it is. All right, it's simple, self-explanatory. Let me see if I can find it. I think it's down here on the top. That thing is tutorial right here. And this right here is going to explain to you everything, how to get everything going, how to get set up. We're going to add more training to it. The more we go, the more we're going to add to it. Right here is it's going to be your first page to get started with. All right, you're going to watch this first video just to get yourself, how can I say, so you can learn about the back office. All right, about your own back office and stuff like that. Watch that first video right there to get you going. Now let me go ahead and show you some things real quick. These videos there's gonna be a lot of videos in here that help you to get everything going. Sorry that my computer is kind of slow right now. But guys, this is gonna be killer. I mean, I'm killing it already with this. I tried it myself a little bit. You see right here, all these things right here are contact management system, email broadcasting, email sent. I mean, it's all these trainings you're gonna be able to get. You see what it says coming soon? More videos gonna be added into there. And I mean, it's gonna be crazy. I mean, it's self-explanatory, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and just log out. I just wanted to give you an inside look of how the system works. Me and my partner built. He did most of the work. I did the touches and stuff like that. But excuse me, like I said, I'm here to build. I'm here to help everybody become rich. Not here. Let me stop. Let me not say that because I mean I'm here to help people become financial free. Let me just mention. Let me say it like that. So yeah, man. I mean this right here is going to be off the chain, guys. I'm telling you, we're gonna build as one. We're gonna be doing live webinars as well. Oh, let me talk about live webinars. So right here, let me go ahead and share something with you guys right here. Let me see if I can find it. On this one right here, oh, damn, I was already in there. Okay, right here, what says $500 a day online. You go into that one right there, you're going to have live trainings. I think it's every Tuesday or Thursdays. I think it's every Tuesday. But they do live webinars every Tuesday. And when they do these live webinars, they put them up, and then you can start watching these live webinars every Tuesday. I think it's every Tuesday. I'm not sure if it's every Tuesday. But it's 24-hour training. I mean, this is 24 hours training. Your back office. I mean, this is crazy, guys. I mean, you got to get on this, man. Don't miss out. And if you miss out, then I don't know what to say. But guys, this is where it's at. So God bless, and hopefully we see you on the team. All right. So let me go ahead and log out. So if you like what you see, like, share, and comment info. I'm going to take this to a whole different level. God bless.